Hi everybody, these are our instructions for today's lab. It is not as tricky as it looks, and I'm not doing it fully the way you'll do it. You'll have to do this in your group of 4 twice. And what we're going to have is you're going to have 2 different temperatures of water. One's going to come out of our ice water and the other one's going to be coming out of our hot water, and one of these is going to be colored each time, and you can look up on the front board for instructions of which will be colored. And we're only going to color the water so we can see the movement of heat in this. So the first thing you're going to have to do, and you're going to want to do this fairly quickly once you get your hot and the cold water, because we don't want your hot to be cooling off and your cold to be warming up, is you're going to take these and you have this little waistband, and you want to fill this Erlynmeyer flask right up to the very top with your hot and cold water. So one will be filled up, and you just do it right over this. So if it spills, it gets in there. And then this will be another temperature water, and we'll just fill these, but they are going to be filled right to the brim. Once you have that done, we're going to be putting one of these on top of the other, and we're going to need a card to do this. And this looks trickier than it is because the room is actually helping us do this, which is one of the questions. You're going to take this one, and you're just going to put the card on it. You're going to flip it right over on top of this, and then pretty quickly you want to pull the card out. And you can see that I got that with hardly any drips of water out here, and none of the water is coming out right now. And we should know why none of the water is coming out right now, because the room is giving us an assist. At any rate, you're going to watch this for about a minute to see what the reaction between this hot and cold water is. When you're done with this first round, just pick this whole thing up, go like this over this container, and do that. And then come over to our rinse bucket and rinse out all of these for your second run. You're going to want to get all of the food coloring out of there. And then you're ready to get your second round of hot and cold water, and then you'll go ahead and do this again. And then finally, when you're all done with everything, just dump all of the waste in the sink and rinse out for the next class. And that's it. Happy hot and cold water mixing.